Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. I'm Mubasher Jillani, and with 25 years in banking and over 20 years of investing personally, I'm starting a new journey to give back to the community. Introducing my YouTube channel, Know and Grow with Mubasher Jillani, where I simplify personal finance for expats in the GCC and for anyone who wants to take smart control of their money. Why this channel? Because I've seen too many people suffer, losing money, health, and peace of mind just because they didn't have the right knowledge or someone to guide them. Here's what I offer absolutely free: personal finance and investing courses, weekly market updates, live Q&A sessions to answer your money questions. It's time we take charge of our financial future with clarity, confidence, and peace of mind. Follow me on YouTube. Let's know more and grow more together.